Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use and enable one-handed mode in OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings scroll down and go to accessibility and convenience, and here if we see here you can see one-handed mode. Now tap on it and tap here to enable the one-handed mode, and you can see swipe down at the bottom of the screen. Now swipe down at the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. You can see swipe down at the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode like this, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. You can see, as you can see, swipe down at the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode. You can see now OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G smartphone is in one-handed mode, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. This is the really convenient method available in OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G smartphone, as you can see. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.